Welcome to Ajayastro Mini Guru, your go-to source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on global commodity markets. Today, we're bringing you the latest insights on CBOT wheat futures, which have seen some recovery after recent losses, but are still on track for a weekly decline. On Friday, CBOT wheat futures made a comeback, rising by 0.9%, with the most active contract trading at $5.70 per bushel. This uptick follows the International Grains Council's (IGC) decision to cut its global wheat production forecast by 1 million tons, bringing some relief to the market. Despite this short-term gain, wheat prices are still set to close the week with a 4% decline. This downturn is primarily driven by an oversupply of low-cost wheat from the Black Sea region, which continues to flood the global market, putting pressure on prices. Wheat had previously hit four-year lows in July and August but has rebounded in part due to a weaker dollar, making US wheat more competitive internationally. Earlier in the week, wheat prices were weighed down by several factors, including reports of crop losses in Europe and unfavorable weather conditions in key growing regions such as Russia and Ukraine. The situation escalated after a missile strike on a grain vessel in the Black Sea, briefly pushing prices to $5.99 per bushel, the highest since mid-June. However, Russian wheat prices remained stable as the country, being the world's largest wheat exporter, continued to undercut US grain with massive shipments. Adding to the bearish sentiment, the US Department of Agriculture (USDA) reported lower than expected weekly export sales, further dampening market optimism. Despite these challenges, the IGC's revised forecast for the 2024-25 global wheat output at 798 million metric tons gave a slight boost to prices on Friday. Additional pressure is coming from adverse weather conditions globally. Argentine farmers are abandoning wheat fields due to ongoing drought, while heavy rains have damaged winter crops in parts of Siberia. These developments are critical to keep an eye on as they may influence future supply. Commodity funds remain bearish on CBOT wheat, although traders have noted a reduction in net short positions. On Thursday, these funds were net sellers of wheat futures, reflecting the ongoing cautious sentiment in the market. In summary, while the recent global production forecast cut by the IGC has provided some support to wheat prices, the market remains under pressure from strong export competition, weak US export sales, and challenging global weather conditions. Stay tuned for more updates and in-depth analysis on the commodity markets here at Ajayastro Mini Guru. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest insights.